Taiduchara Waterfall, Khagrachari, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Discovered in 2010, 20 kilometers from Khagrachari, the picturesque Taiduchara Waterfall flows through the folds of a crooked mountain amidst the wild jungle of Dikhinala Upazila. It is the largest waterfall in Khagrachari. Taiduchara is one of the many tourist attractions in Khagrachari. Taidu means water door or window in the local language, and Chara means fountain. Therefore, the local Tripura tribals named the fountain Taiduchara. From that, the name of the fountain is Taiduchara and the name of the area is Taidupara. The water of the Taiduchara waterfall flows through the folds of the curved mountains in the middle of the forest. The sound of the cool, clear, gurgling water rushing around is deafening. The water, which has rolled down from a 300-foot high mountain, falls onto the rocky ground. Unlike other waterfalls, its water does not fall directly from the top. There are numerous stone steps on the mountain. The water flows down these steps. This natural diversity has given a different dimension to the Taiduchara waterfall. Taiduchara Waterfall, Khagrachari, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Parjatan Tours and Travels. Contact number 01776467789. Voice Nahid Akhtar. Content created by Sabiba Ali. Thanks for watching.